Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talent Love, and today I'm coming at you with another makeup look because you guys loved my makeup look from last week, you know, the green tropical one, so much that I decided to bring you another one. And this time I wanted to switch it up. Instead of doing, you know, on the green and yellow side, this time we did blues, purples, and a little bit of pinks. So yeah, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, just because the look is a slay already, and because I ran out of primer, so I have no primer on. I don't have no setting spray because you guys know I use the Prep Set and Refresh coconut spray, and I'm dry. There's nothing in here. So for the fact that I had my face all natural and I didn't have any setting spray to make it all come together as one, I did it all on my own. Just go ahead and subscribe just from that alone. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, you guys, shout out to you guys. We are finally at 500 subscribers. I'm so excited. If you're on my Instagram, you saw the video, and if you're on my Facebook, you saw the video because I did one on both of those, and I was just saying how thankful I was. Now, with that being said, that means we're gonna do a $100 giveaway. So we're gonna do the giveaway on tomorrow's video because today is Tuesday, so I'm gonna double upload. So you're gonna get a video at 8 a.m. and then you're gonna turn around and get another video at 9 a.m. because I'm like that. Yeah, and because on Monday I couldn't drop a video because my neighbors were partying like it was freaking Montel Jordan bringing whatever year that song This Is How We Do It came back. So anyway, you guys, I love you guys so much. Make sure you give me a pink glittery thumbs up. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then let's go ahead and hop into the video. So starting out, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C1, and we're going to pat that all over top of the eyelids with our fingers, and we're just going to blend that out to go ahead and set a nice base so that way the eyeshadow has something to stick to so the color can pop. Next, we're going to take the lightest pink color in the James Charles palette, and we're going to take the e.l.f. eye crease brush, and we're going to go to the top of the eyelid, or the top of the eye, excuse me, right under the brow, and you're going to go in the curve of the eyebrow, and you're going to put most of your pink there, and then you're going to drag it out, and it's just going to be a faint color. It's kind of going to disappear just a little bit, but it's going to go well when you pair the darker colors. So you guys are going to take that dark pink and then the dark purple diagonal from it, and we're going to put the dark color in the crease of the eyes, and then we're going to take that lighter pink and we're going to blow that out and put it in the middle and just blend that out with an e.l.f. Eye blending brush. And you guys, I apologize because my camera does this thing sometimes where it deletes the clips and puts them in a different format, so I do not have the clip of me blowing this out, but as you can see, it's just blended with the two colors and then, you know, the light pink on top. So I do apologize for that, but by the time I noticed, I was already done. So yeah, next we're gonna just go ahead and cut that crease because this is the complicated part. The brush that we're using for this is the Morphe M432, and we're still using the same concealer. We're just going and cutting a crease. Next, we're going to take the darkest shimmery blue out of the Jaclyn Hill Palette, and I'm going to use just this random flat brush that I have from Amazon, and you can use any flat brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids and just pack that eyeshadow on until all of the wet on the concealer is dry and pack with pack with eyeshadow, so that way you can't see any concealer at all. Next, I'm going in with L'Oreal True Match in the color C9 because I have no idea where my foundation went that I usually use, but this one's just as good. Yeah, so I'm going to take a Real Techniques Beauty Blender, a damp one, and it's clean, and I am going to go ahead and apply my foundation. Today I do not have any setting spray, y'all. I'm out of it, and I couldn't make it to Target or any drugstore before they closed because I was out getting the coins. So yeah, I'm just doing this with oil on my face, and yeah, so like I said, in the beginning I don't have any setting spray or any prep spray, so we just going in and putting the foundation on. Next, I'm going in with my concealers, Toast and Fawn. Those are the colors by LA Girl Pro Concealer. And the darkest one I like to put on the bottom. So I start with the lightest on the top, which is Fawn, and then I go down and put Toast. And then I'm going to blend those out with my Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and just blend out all of that concealer, and I'm using the same side that I used for my foundation. Now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm going to set all of my concealer. And as usual, I'm going to go in with Chip and Mocha from the Jaclyn Hill Palette. And now I'm going to cut under the contour just to make it sharp. And I'm using Sacha Buttercup to do that with my Beauty Blender. Now I'm contouring my nose with the Morphe M433 brush, and I forgot to tell you guys earlier that what I contoured my cheeks with was the e.l.f. angled brush. Now I'm going to take the black opal powder in the color dark, and I'm going to just go ahead and dust away all that excess and make it all my face color. And now it's time to draw that wing, baby. Now I'm going to line my bottom eyelid with the Emory eye pencil in the color dark blue. I got these eye pencils off of Amazon. They came in a ton of colors and they were really affordable, and they aren't super duper creamy, but they get the job done. So I like them. So we're just going to do that, and then we're going to go back and smudge it out with my e.l.f. smudge brush, and we're going to use the darkest purple to smudge it out, and then we're gonna go under it with the pink and do the same exact thing right under, just to blend so it's not like such a harsh line with that eyeliner. Now the mascara that I'm going to go in with is the Wonderfully Real mascara by Rimmel London in the color black, and it's waterproof. Now I'm going to take the blush palette from Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to take that light pink and light purple, and I'm going to, well, it's kind of like a Barbie pink, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. But with this, you guys, it could get real clownish if you're not careful. So you want to just go on super duper light, very light sweeping motions, and you want to build up as you see fit. As you see, you know, I'm just lightly going on there so it doesn't get on there looking real clown-like. And now it's time for lashes, and I don't remember the name of them, but they will be in the description box because they were in the description box in my last video, so I'm going to copy and paste it over to this one. But these are the same lashes. These have been my favorite so far until I could get a hold of these minks that I want to order off of Amazon. These have been my super duper favorite because I feel like they just go with every single look. Like, they're so pretty. Okay, next we're going to add some mascara to the bottom lashes, and I keep looking over like that to the left because I am catching up on my DDG vlogs right now. I'm so behind, y'all, so I'm catching up and doing makeup. That's another reason why I love doing makeup videos, even though they're time consuming, because I could catch up on all my favorite YouTubers' videos. So yeah. And next, because I don't have any lip liners, y'all, I'm out of so many things. I just cannot, I really need to just make a store run. But first we're going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap, and I'm just putting that around the edges of my lips because it's the darkest color. Then next, we're going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi, because y'all know I love Abu Dhabi. That's my favorite one. And then we're going to top it off with the Glittery Gloss by Rimmel in the Stay Glossy brand in the color Non-Stop Glamour. And that's our lippy for today. Next, I'm going to go on with the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated, whew, that's a lot of words, highlights, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And the color that I have is Aura, and it's the rose gold one because it just goes with that champagne-y pinky color on my lip. And yeah, so that's what we're matching that with, and it's just, oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Alright you guys, if you liked that video and you want to see more, comment down below what colors I should use next, because at this point I'm just guessing colors that you would want me to use. And you guys, this, oh my God, it just looks so velvety in person. It just, oh, it reminds me of like a velvet sofa or a velour suit. I don't know, it's so cute. But yeah, at this point I'm just making up colors that I think look good together. And if you have any specific looks you want me to do, or if you want me to like dupe another YouTuber and like copy a look or something like that, do an inspired look, or even one from a celebrity, from a music video or something like that, or a model, then go ahead and send it to me, girl. I got you. We can do all of that. Your input, it never goes unnoticed. My subscribers will tell you, I always answer all of my comments. And if not, if it's something not even respondable, I'll just give a heart or something like that. But yeah, you guys, until next time, I love you so much. Until next time, be fresh and be fierce. Glam Girl out.